Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make photo collage on iPhone. Now first, to achieve this one, the first thing that we're going to do is look for the shortcuts. Actually, shortcuts has different applications that we can use. One of them is the photo grid, so we're going to head over down here to the gallery, and in the gallery just go ahead and search for photo grid. There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then go ahead and click add shortcuts. We can then close this, and then let's head over to the library, this one, and then click photo grid right here. Now from here, we're going to choose the 4 images that we want to add. So I'm going to go ahead and do these 4, and then I'm going to click this one, and you can see that now we have the image right now. Now there are a few things that we can do from here. So we can go ahead and click this one right here, and we can share this in a different apps or via chat that we have right here. Another thing that we can do is save it. So we can do that by clicking this one right here. You have save to file, save to photos, or just right click printed. So yeah, that's basically how you're going to make photo collage on iPhone.